You're scrolling through travel fins for snorkeling, and everything looks the same. Short blades, open heel, perfect for travel. But here's what no product page tells you. Most of these are just rebranded junk that break after 2 trips. I found the real winners that actually last, pack small, and won't cramp your legs.
Product number 1. Melululu Travel Fins. Let's start with the Melululu Travel Fins, one of the cheapest options at just under $27. What caught my eye was the split fin design and ventilation holes, which are rare at this price. If you want lightweight fins that actually help reduce fatigue on long snorkel sessions, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The split blade design channels water more efficiently, so you get more thrust with less effort, perfect if you're exploring coral reefs for hours. The open heel quick release straps mean you can slip them on fast and adjust once for multiple people, which is great for families. And at only 1.8 pounds total, they won't weigh down your carry-on. Over 400 sold last month shows people are buying, even if reviews aren't in yet. Now, some people might worry about durability at this price, and honestly, the plastic feels a bit thin. I'd be cautious if you're diving deep or kicking hard against rocks, but for casual snorkeling and beach hopping, they hold up surprisingly well. The non-slip sole and reinforced foot pocket do help prevent slips, even on wet boat decks. This is perfect for you if you're a budget traveler who wants decent performance without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you have smaller feet. These only fit US 8.5 to 11.5, so they're not for everyone. For under $30, it's a solid entry-level pick.
Product number 2. Cressy Tonga Black. If the Melumilu felt a bit flimsy, this next one takes a completely different approach, the Cressy Tonga. Priced at $35.95, it's designed in Italy and built for serious travelers. If you want a balance of comfort, durability, and brand trust, this is a strong contender. Here's why this matters for you. Cressy uses a composite blade that flexes just enough to reduce leg cramping, a huge deal if you've ever had to stop mid-snorkel because your calves locked up. The ultra-resistant buckles are a game changer, no more broken clips after a few trips. Plus, the large thumb loop makes putting them on one-handed, even with wet hands. Over 300 sold last month shows it's popular, and Cressy's reputation in diving gear adds real credibility. Now, the downside, the foot pocket is made of stiff rubber, which some users say takes a few wears to break in. I'll be real with you, if you have narrow feet, it might feel loose at first, but once adjusted, it stays secure and doesn't chafe. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, mid-range fin from a trusted brand and don't mind a short break-in period. Skip this one if you need something ultra-soft right out of the box. For $36, you're getting serious quality.
Product number 3. Great Ever Black Travel Fins. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for comfort. The Great Ever Black Travel Fins at $30.99. What stood out immediately was the flame-shaped mesh instep and TPR foot pocket, which feel way more breathable than standard rubber. Here's why this matters for you. The open-toe design and mesh panel reduce water resistance and let your feet breathe. No more sweaty, cramped feet after 30 minutes. The quick-release buckle remembers your fit, so no readjusting every time. And they include a quick-dry mesh bag and hard plastic inserts to keep them from bending in luggage. A small detail that makes a big difference. With 300 plus sold last month, it's clear people are noticing. Now, the flaw is the blade is made of PP plastic, which is lightweight but not as powerful as stiffer materials. If you're swimming against a current, you might feel like you're working harder, but for calm bays and shallow reefs, it's more than enough. This is perfect for you if you prioritize comfort and breathability over raw power. Skip this one if you're planning strong currents or deep dives. For $31, it's a comfort-focused winner.
Product number 4. Great Ever Green Travel Fins. If the black Great Ever was good, this green version takes the same design and adds a pop of visibility, which sounds small but matters underwater. At $29.99, it's actually cheaper than the black, even with the same features. Here's why this matters for you. The bright green color isn't just stylish, it helps your buddy spot you in the water, especially in low light or crowded areas. Everything else is identical. TPR foot pocket, PC buckles, PP blade, mesh bag, and shape-keeping inserts. It's the same reliable performance, just with better safety visibility. 200 plus sold last month shows it's gaining traction. Now, the downside, same as the black version.
The blade isn't stiff enough for strong swimmers or rough conditions. And honestly, the green might show dirt faster, so it won't stay looking fresh as long. This is perfect for you if you want the same comfort as the black Great Ever, but with added safety. Skip this one if you're snorkeling in clear, calm waters where visibility isn't an issue. For $30, it's a smart upgrade.
Product number 5, Cressy Tonga Black Blue. The Cressy Tonga in black blue at $38.95. The most expensive on this list, but also the most polished. If you want the best build quality and don't mind paying a bit more, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you. The color contrast isn't just for looks. The blue accents highlight the fin's contours, helping you see your kick technique in the water. The same ultra-resistant buckles, rubber foot pocket, and composite blade as the black version are all here, but the finish feels more premium. Only 100 plus sold last month, but that's likely because of the higher price, not the quality. Now, the flaw? At nearly $40, it's a stretch if you're only snorkeling once a year. And honestly, the performance difference over the regular black Tonga is minimal, mostly just aesthetics. This is perfect for you if you want the best-looking, most durable travel fin and don't mind the splurge. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. For $39, it's style and substance combined.
So, which one should you buy? The Melumilu if you're on a budget? The Cressy Tonga Black for trusted durability? The Great Ever Black for comfort? The Great Ever Green for safety? And the Cressy Black and Blue if you want the best of everything, even the looks. All 5 are travel-friendly, but only a few will actually last. Pick the one that matches your trip and your feet.